burning studio here for... Oops, my internet goes crashing down, I see. Now it's back. Okay, so anyway, what I will do today is I have a nice piece of olive wood here, what I have from Spain, from the coffee shop. So what I want to do is I want to put a poem into the wood. Yeah, a little bit as preparing a fresh startup with a new coffee shop, and let's see what we can do there. The setting what I used today is 60 millimeter per minute by 90%, or maybe I go a little bit higher, depend of the laser power. This is the NEJE Master 2S. This is the 7-watt input version, so don't mix it up with 7-watt what comes out of the machine. This is a diode laser. Color is a bluish violet. My protection is super absolute amazing protection glasses from NASA, of course, with alien blocker and beam me up Scotty interface. No, this is what comes with the whole thing. That's why I put actually on the laser himself, as you can see here, I put separate shielding that it doesn't burn my eyes completely. I'm personally a little bit still shaked up from I'm suffering currently a little bit on vertigo, so that's why I'm a little bit lasting to one side, so I have one arm on the other desk so that I don't twist the whole time. Anyway, I go back to the software. What I use is the Lightburn software, and I will engrave the poem in Praise of Coffee into the wood. First of all, I will frame it. This is what I'm doing now. I set it up the beam already, so it should be fine for burning. Top part will be, let me see, I check this out. Where is this point? Maybe that is a little bit too, let me see this here. Okay, I have to arrange a little bit the top part. It seems to be a little bit close to the whole thing. Moment. So yeah, I think this is nicer. You couldn't see it now, but I have changed the settings a little bit to frame it now new, a little bit more into the thing. May I go a little bit lower with the upper text to have a little bit more space between the wood part on the top and the lower part. Yeah, I think that's better. So as I said, I have the setting 60 actually to 95. I do only one pass. What is this picture here? Let me see. This is my logo. I don't need the logo now. Okay, let's start and let's have a look what's happened. It starts burning. I would like to entertain you a little bit more with a few things. But I think that makes no point, because what I want to do is really, this is burning quite deeply here. I hope it doesn't stay as black as it is now. So I may had chosen a little bit less in the power. Yeah, I changed the settings to a much faster speed now, because it was burning by far too deep, and yeah, it was burning more the wood than everything else. So I will have one word of the prom will be slightly darker, but it seems to be now much better in the settings, and I'm using now, instead of the 60 millimeter per minute, I'm actually by 660. So I speeded up more than 10 times what it was before, and it comes so much better right now out. And if I can see, this is so much nicer to read. And oh yeah, that's is so much nicer. You will see it in a few seconds. You will have a glimpse, because then you see it in the action cam. What I mean, you see it a little bit on the other one as well, on the other camera. Can I zoom this? No, unfortunately I can't zoom with that camera here. Yeah, I would like to play a little bit music in between, but unfortunately I'm not allowed. Not because I'm not allowed to play here music, but because of the copyrights, I'm not allowed to play it down here on YouTube. So you have to listen to my voice. No worries, I don't sing. Oh yeah, this is much better from the speed. The 60 was by far too much, so I had even could go and lower the power from the laser by, I would say, at least 15%. and would still have a good result. So that's what we see. We are by not even the half now. Imagine I would done this with only the 60. That would need ages. So I have a few more of these boards. What I will do is I will try in higher setting with the next one. There's one thing that's really not nice. Vertigo, I tell you. It's horror. You think the whole time you're on a roller coaster. You feel sick for no reason. So, guys, yeah, tell me what you think about the current process here. I think it's coming together quite good. I know worries about the smoke, so we have good air ventilation here, so but dry wood smokes. It's amazing how much power has a little bit light. Come on, there's nothing else in light. There's no friction or something. This is pure energy. What I like on the NEJE Master 2S on this model here is it's so silent. It's actually, I checked it yesterday. I have some dB meter there, and we are by 53 decibel. That's not too bad. So we are more or less, let me see, on the software, a little bit over half of the time. With 10 minutes and 40 seconds the whole edging process is currently. How many lines I have left? I have about 4 lines left from the poem. Yeah, this is test engraving for the new coffee Tapa boards for the coffee shop, and I'm looking really forward to going step by step in the new adventure. So yeah, that's it. So that looks actually quite acceptable. Except from yeah, was where I was going a little bit too deep here. So from the power, but this I will fix. That's no issue. It's only a little bit burned from the outside. So Let's see if I can fix this. Oh yeah, that has gone a little bit too deep inside. So if you can see, that's good. Yeah, that's all. Happy with these. I will have a few made from these, and I wish you everything. See you soon. Bye bye.